In terms of image format, the machine is standardly equipped with a height of 3 meters and an unlimited width. It can be customized up to 3.5 meters. It is equipped with dual 40 Hz ultrasonic sensors, which can print on walls with sudden protrusions and unevenness exceeding 1 centimeter or walls that are slowly inclined by 3 to 4 centimeters. It is equipped with servo motors on both the up and down lines to ensure higher printing accuracy. At the same time, it is equipped with POM rubber wheels to make the head run more stable and ensure plus or minus 0.1 mm positioning accuracy. Its head is equipped with a large monochrome 260 ml ink cartridge, totaling 1,300 milliliters, which can print 100 square meters on a full fill. The base is equipped with universal wheels and can run off the track. The print head is standardly equipped with DX7 and can be equipped with DX7 or i1600. Hand-cranked ratchet. Twist the wheel to quickly and easily store the belt. It adopts an integrated steel structure design, which increases stability by 50% and rigidity by 70%. These are the practical features and design of the Tehron TPP1000. This high-performance wall printer has a wide range of applications, from schools, hotels, and gymnasiums to office, home, and individual business interior decoration. It's the perfect tool for realizing your creative ideas, whether you're creating a personalized commercial space or embarking on a business venture. It's a powerful assistant. Furthermore, it can print on over 200 materials. Let's take a look at its printing performance on different materials.